There's no evidence that Sergeant Bales was under the influence of any alcohol that night, period.
So it's the alcohol part that's not true, not necessarily where he was and when he was there.
I can't answer that. I don't know the answer to that. We don't actually have a right to certain discovery until 30 days before the Article 32 hearing. But however, as with civilian cases, we usually have the cooperation of prosecutors, and they will give us information ahead of time just so we can be prepared. And that's just not happening in this case.
Have you filed for discovery, John?
Sorry, Linda, go ahead.
Well, what's the problem with not being given access to these witnesses now? I'm sure prosecutors are saying, well, you'll get it later.
A person who asked that question doesn't really know much about Afghanistan right now, and I don't mean to be rude, but people just get lost. So that was our opportunity. I am concerned. My gut from a defense lawyer's standpoint is when the prosecutors are not cooperating, there's a reason, and that reason usually is because they don't really have much of a case. Now, I don't know whether that's true here or not.
Have you been able to get access to Sergeant Bale's medical records?
Not yet. We've requested it, but we haven't received them.
Have you been given any timeline or assurances?
Well, they only have to give us stuff 30 days before the Article 32. But this mental health screening board will generate more information, but it's very interesting. That information only comes to the defense. It will not, theoretically, that information will only come to the defense and will be not known by the prosecutors in this case unless we make it known. We have not asked for this. This was done by the military themselves. We will have our own experts, and we have people who are volunteering to be experts, actually, some of the best known experts in the world on concussive head injuries and PTSD. So we'll have our own people also doing this.